Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Lexus RX350. Here we're going to do the rear chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we're just using the gloss black material, that way it matches with the color of the vehicle. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the chrome panels. So it's going to be this panel here and the lower bezel right here. Those will be the panels that we will need to clean before doing the installation. You could use any cleaning product, just make sure you remove any contaminants that it may have, and then afterwards make sure that the area is dry for the installation. Okay, so when it comes to installing this lower piece here, you need to take your time, because since it is a one-piece method here, there might be times where you come across fingers and it might be hard to take off. Just take your time, use heat to apply it everywhere, and with that we should finish the installation. When you're doing the installation for this one, you want to align it on the bottom half here first, work your way on top, so like this, and with this half of the film, hold it and stretch it at the same time while you're aligning it. You don't have to do too much hard of a stretch, but just enough to pull the film and align it here. And then with heat, we'll just work our way around this and start tacking it down. First, align it from one end, work your way on top, tack it down and stretch. And then right here, tack it down, and now with heat. So right here, all we're doing is applying heat and helping the film tack down to the curve here, little by little. So you could use your squeegee as well, if it's too hot, to tack it down. Make sure you don't leave any air bubbles while you're tacking down. And once you're done sealing everything all around, just trim off all the material that we don't need. So look for the gap, making sure you're only cutting what we need to cut, and then just trim off the excess material. And you would just rinse and repeat the same steps we did for this one to the other side. Okay, so with this one, we do have two different cutouts for just the edge or the corners for these two sections here. So what I recommend doing is installing these first. That way, once you install larger piece here, it just overlaps over the one we installed here. So just align it as so, and it's just tacking down. And if you have excess material, you can tuck it inside, and then with heat, we'll finish it off with tacking it down. And then trim off, and then finish off by sealing it. You'll do the same for this side here. Okay, so now this middle piece, you just match it right where we left off here. Just make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome on the top, so that should be good. And just follow the design of the rear chrome here. Just like that. And then start tacking down with your squeegee, and then we'll finish it off with sealing it off with heat. Then just be careful when you're trimming off the excess material near the rear camera. So just look where the cutout will be and trim it off. And then just do the same with the rest of the film. Okay, so the last thing to do once you finish installing the whole set for the rear is post heat all around the film. That way we help the adhesive activate faster and the film doesn't lift over time. So heat gun and go all around. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the rear chrome delete install for the 2022 Lexus RX350. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.